All right, I'm Dr. Rico Short, board certified endodontist. So one of the things when you're doing root canals is very important is irrigation, because you have a case like this where you have an upper maxillary molar and it has an MB2, and it's hard for you to really see it, but you can have these anastomoses where the canal systems actually merge. And the question is, how are you going to get to these things? Because the files itself can't. So you have to rely on irrigation. And you can use passive irrigation, but passive irrigation is not enough. So what I like to use is the EndoUltra by Vista Apex. So this is a cordless ultrasonic activation device, and it's really nifty because it can help you get into areas that you normally can't get into using conventional irrigation. So one thing I like about this unit, this is it here. It is a cordless unit, which is really nice, and it has a USB power adapter here, so it charges very quickly. And one of the other things I like about it is the tip. This is a 2002 tip, and it goes on pretty easily here. Just screw it with your hands there. And then they have this nifty device here, and you can kind of lock it in place here. Let's make sure it's firm, lock it in place. And also look at that tip. The tip is straight. Now this is a really cool titanium tip, so we want to bend it here. And don't worry about breaking it. You can bend it here so it can actually go into the canal. So once it's bent like that, then we can actually place it in the canal. Now, when you use this instrument, you do not want to touch the walls of the root canal system. If you do, it's going to stop that tip from vibrating. And you want to be about 3 millimeters away from the apex. And the reason why you want to be that far away is because you don't want to push irrigation solution into the tissues. And you say, well, Dr. Short, well, what do I use this for? Well, I'm glad you asked that question. You can also use it for irrigation solutions such as sodium hypochlorite. I like to use Chlor Extra by Vista Apex. You also can use it to ultrasonically activate your EDTA. I like to use Smear Off by Vista Apex as well. So the cool thing is you just activate it, you turn it on, and you can see here it's green is on, and also it has a light on the tip. Look at that nice light on the tip. So that can give you more visibility while you're in the canal system. And you really can't see this, but this thing is vibrating very fast here, and you could probably hear it. Hear it there? So it's vibrating really quickly. And purposely I didn't charge this all the way because I want you to see this. This right here lets you know that it is time to recharge the device.